Hi everyone, here we've got ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro, and let me show you how to update apps on this device. So actually, first of all, make sure that you're connected with a Wi-Fi or any other internet source of your choice, and then let's tap on the Play Store. Now we have to tap on this 3 bars icon in the left upper corner and tap on My Apps and Games. And as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which can be updated, and of course you can update all of them by tapping on this big green button Update All. But if you would like to update only one of it or 2 of them, then just find them in the list, for example maybe Gmail, and tap on Update right next to it. As you can see, it immediately disappears, but it appears at the very top of the list. Now it is downloading, and after that it will be successfully installed and updated. So actually that's all. This is how to update apps in your ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.